How to fix you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later on Facebook. First things first, go to your phone's app store and find Facebook. If there's an update available, hit that update button. After updating, try making a page again. See if that pesky error is still there. Okay, so if updating didn't do the trick, no sweat. Go back to your app store. Search for Facebook Lite and download it. It's a bit lighter on your phone, hence the name. Once it's downloaded, open the Facebook Lite app. You know the drill. Log into your Facebook account like you normally would. Look for those 3 little lines somewhere on the screen. Tap on those. From those lines, find the option for pages and tap on it. Now, tap on Create Page. This is where you create a new page. Tap on Get Started. Put in the name you want for your page and pick a category that fits it best. Hit Skip. Once you've filled everything out, tap Done. That's it. Your page should be all set up now without any hassle. And there you have it, a simple workaround to fix that you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. Error on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.